Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video, I will show you how to create this part, this 3D model in AutoCAD 3D. This part I create using all feature based commands. I won't go into 2D. To create this part, we have to use options like cylinder, box, draft face, fillet, edge fillet we need to give, and again cylinder and cut, subtract. To create these holes, cylinder and subtract. So for that, I go to cylinder now. So I give some 500 radius or 400 radius, and height I give some 40 mm. As dimension is not given, just randomly I am giving some dimensions. And the upper cylinder is smaller in size and slightly bigger in thickness. Then I open AutoCAD. Again I go to cylinder. I select the center of the cylinder. Then 400 we gave for bottom plate. For this I give 350 upper plate. 60 I enter thickness. I apply a color. Then this part we need to first create using box, and the box is created above the base plate. I go to box. Hundred will be smaller. 200. 200 I give. Length as a 200. Tab. Its width as some 50. Then height. Height some 300 I give. Then what we need to do is, you have to move that box height 300, length I slightly reduce 175. I apply a color. Then I move this plate holding this midpoint. I keep this in 2D wireframe. See here, quadrant point it is showing. The upper cylindrical surface quadrant point I copy like this. I move this box and I keep this in normal realistic mode. See, you can see the part like this. Then I slightly reduce the length, 150 I give. Okay, 150 is enough. Then 150 width 50, height 300. Then to give angle, see like this, to get a draft face in AutoCAD 3D modeling, we have to use a rotate face. Here we have extrude face. In these options, here we have rotate face. Good visibility, I rotate this part, a 3D part, going into free orbit option. I keep like this. Rotate face, select this front face, enter. Axis start point, axis end point. Then I give some angle 30 degrees. See like this we get. Or I give 20 degrees, 30 degrees is more. So what I do is, I go back, rotate face, I select this face, enter. 20 degrees I give. Now you can see exactly we got that angular surface. Then go to edge fillet option here, edge 1, and enter radius 150 we gave, so 75 half. If we give half of the length, then we get a full round like this. See, like this. As per the drawing, we got the part. Then a hole on that part, on this box we have a hole. For that, simply go to cylinder, I give radius some 45, I apply the same color or some other color. Subtract, go to subtract, base part, enter cylindrical part. Like. Then we have to go for array option because it has 6 pattern, total 6. Then in AutoCAD we use this 3D array. Go for polar array, select that part, enter, select center point, just do select a center of this cylindrical surface. Here total number of instances 6. That's it. Go for enter. Like this, by using a polar array, we can see 6 instances around that cylindrical part. Here these are all independent parts. See, this is independent, and this the top cylindrical surface is independent, the bottom cylindrical part is independent. We have to unite all these parts to make as a single part. In that, go to the command union, shortcut UNI, enter, just do select all, like this, part 1, part 2, like this, number of features, select all the features, or you can directly select by dragging like this, then go for enter. Then see here, if you select a base part, base surface, or any side of a part, then the entire part is showing as a single part. Like this, in AutoCAD we need to use feature based commands like box, cylinder, subtract, union, polar array, fillets, edge fillet, to generate this type of a 3D model. I show in all views. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, share and subscribe Imperial CAD System.